There's the pattern altitude. We're going to pull the power. And we're going to turn downwind. Walking, traffic diamond 467 to Charlie, right downwind, runway 23, walking.
Walking traffic, Skyhawk 408 Echo Sierra, right base, runway 23, short approach, walking.
Alright, got the traffic in sight. Made a left turn to just avoid the traffic a little bit. Power down to 15.
Walking traffic, Skyhawk 408 Echo Sierra, final runway 23, walking.
A little bit high for his downwind and a little bit far out from the runway, so I actually had to both climb and make a turn out. Unfortunate there. Maintain VFR separation, which is fine. Get my first notch of flaps in because we're getting a little bit far from the runway, so we're actually going to pull here, make our turn. Walking in traffic, diamond 467 Delta Charlie, turning right, base, runway 23, walking. Alright, there's our base call made. We're going to just continue our turn onto final. Our high for final. Second notch of flaps coming in, pitching down.
Walking traffic, Skyhawk 408 Echo Sierra on departure leg, runway 23.
Alright. We got two whites, means we're high, which is fine. We can easily correct that, pull the power out, pitch down. Pitch for altitude. Trim's going back to neutral. Airspeed is slowly dropping, which is a good thing. There's 65. There's 60. There's the runway made. And flaps are coming up. There's Alpha 5. We're gonna roll it out to Charlie.
Walking traffic, Skyhawk 408 Echo Sierra, right downwind, runway 23, walking.
Walking traffic, diamond 467 to Charlie, taxiing back, runway 23 via Charlie Alpha, walking in. Alright, that's going to be 5. I got 3 out on Charlie and 2 out on Alpha 5. Alright, the fam saw the wave that time. Alright, I'm going to explain to you the traffic pattern here in Waukegan. So, typically a traffic pattern at any airport will occur at 1,000 feet above ground level. Here, the ground elevation at Waukegan is 700 feet. So we do a series of things in our traffic pattern. At 1,200 feet, specifically at Waukegan, which is 500 feet above ground level, we will pull flaps from takeoff to cruise. Then,
Waukegan traffic, Skyhawk 408 Echo Sierra, right base runway 23, Waukegan.
As we approach 300 feet below pattern altitude, so 300 minus 1,700 is 1,400. So as we approach 1,400 feet, we are going to make our left or right turn out onto the pattern to join the crosswind, and then we will continue our climb to pattern altitude, where we will pitch down and pull power back to maintain our altitude and our airspeed.
Waukegan traffic, Skyhawk 408 Echo Sierra, final runway 23, full stop, Waukegan.
Waukegan traffic, Diamond 467, Delta Charlie's going to hold short 23 for landing traffic, Waukegan. Alright. After we make our downwind leg, we are going to make our base leg. But however, before we do that, once we pass our landing point on the runway, we are going to pull power down to 15,000 RPMs. Then we are going to pitch down for 90 knots airspeed and put flaps down to take off once again. After we lose 200 feet of altitude, so we're at 1,500 feet, we're going to make our right or left turn out onto our base. And on our base turn, we're going to pitch for 80 knots. After we make our base, we're going to look for 70 on our base, and then 65 and 60 on our final and short final, respectively. Alright, we're going to show that in practice. There goes flaps takeoff. We're going to wait for landing traffic to depart the runway.
Waukegan traffic, Skyhawk 408 Echo Sierra, clear runway 323, Waukegan.
Waukegan traffic, Diamond 467, Charlie, taking runway 23 for the right pattern, Waukegan. Alrighty. So we're going to make a right pattern. Everything I said we will put into practice, making right 90-degree turns. So runway 23, 5 final clear, 23 clear. Left rudder, left brake. Flaps take off. Mixture rich, fuel pump on. Smoothly advance power. Apply adequate right rudder. Maintain center line. Looking for 44 on the rotation speed. And there's rotate. We're going to pull back smoothly on the stick. We're going to look for 70 on our climb out. So once we hit 70 knots, we're going to pitch back, maintain 70. So now you'll see as I approach 1,200 feet, which is 500 feet above the ground, I'm going to put flaps up. Alright, all the while we are maintaining runway heading. Alright, there's 500 AGL, flaps coming up. We're going to pitch back a little bit more. Drag has been reduced, so we will travel a little bit faster. Alright, there's 300 below the pattern. We're going to make a right crosswind turn. No need to make a call on the right crosswind. No other significant traffic in the area as checked by the ADSB. And frequency announcements. Alright, there's 1,700 feet, which is our altitude for the pattern. We're going to pitch down from there and pull the power. We're also going to turn downwind here. This is a call we should make. Waukegan traffic, Diamond 467 Delta Charlie. Right downwind correction for 23, Waukegan. We're going to pull power back to around 20 to 23,000 RPMs. Looking to maintain a parallel runway heading while also maintaining our pattern altitude of 1,700. As the landing point passes off to our right, we're going to to pull power back to 15 and pitch for 90 knots airspeed, while also putting our flaps down to flaps takeoff. So there's our landing point. We're going to pull power to 15. We're going to pitch down simultaneously, while also adding flaps 1. Watch this airspeed. We're going to continually pitch for 52. And as we lose 200 feet of altitude below our pattern altitude of 1700, we're going to make a right turn onto base and make a call onto the frequency. Waukegan traffic, Diamond 467 Delta Charlie, turning right base, runway 23 Waukegan. And you'll also see that here our airspeed, we're looking for 80 on the turn to base. We're looking high, so there goes our second notch of flaps. We're going to pitch down our flaps. We're within the white arc, so use. Waukegan traffic, Diamond 467 Delta Charlie, final for 23 Waukegan. We're going to make our final call like we just did. Lined up for 23 here. 2 whites means we're high. That's fine. Our descent angle is pretty good here. Pretty much aiming for the threshold, it looks like here.
Kenosha traffic, or Kenosha Tower rather. Cessna 1057 Foxtrot.